Throughout history, trade has always been a high-risk activity, especially in maritime commerce. Early merchants faced significant threats, including shipwrecks, storms, and piracy. To counter these risks, ancient traders developed risk-sharing systems, which later evolved into modern reinsurance. The first known forms of risk-sharing can be traced back to ancient Greece and Rome. Merchants would pool their resources to cover potential losses, ensuring that no single trader bore the entire financial burden of a lost shipment. One of the earliest documented maritime risk-sharing practices was found in Rhodian maritime law, established around 800 BCE. According to this law, if a ship's cargo had to be thrown overboard to save the vessel during a storm, all traders with goods on board would share the financial loss proportionally. This principle, known as general average, laid the foundation for cooperative financial protection and later influenced the development of insurance contracts.